So in today's video, I want to talk about how to get YouTube views from Instagram. So we all know Instagram is a massive platform. If you've got an Instagram account and you're not utilizing this method, you're really going to lose out. So I'm going to show you a super easy way that you can start connecting your Instagram account up back to YouTube and get a lot more people over to your channel. So just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. Go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell if you haven't been over to our channel before. I'll let you know as soon as I release new videos. And hey, if you're looking for a way to start a business online, go ahead and check out our link in the description below. It'll take you over to our flagship product, the Simple Traffic Blueprint, and it'll take you through the whole process step by step. So just before I jump into YouTube and show you how this is actually being done, I wanted to kind of share a few fun facts with you just to show you how big Instagram is these days. So Instagram, there's over 40 billion photos uploaded to Instagram so far. There's 4.2 billion likes a day. So it's still a very, very active place to go ahead and post content. 32% of users on the internet are all on Instagram. And that actually rises to almost 60% of people between 19 and 28. So a huge percentage of people actually use Instagram every day. And interestingly enough, 68% of the users are female, so that might dictate the types of content that works much better on Instagram. So, really, really big platform. And if I can just show you a very easy method for driving traffic from Instagram back to your YouTube channel. If we do this right, we're going to get a lot of traffic back from Instagram. So I'm over on YouTube and I've come over to a channel called Mind Over Munch. And this is a channel that's really dedicated towards healthy eating. Lots of different types of recipes on this channel. And they've got over 945,000 subscribers. So it's a really big channel on YouTube. So let's just take this immune busting smoothies video as an example. There's actually an affiliate link there back to Athletic Greens. Lots of content in the description. There's always recipes. So really, really good the way that she's optimizing all of this particular channel. But if you come down to Instagram, I'm going to take you over to her Instagram account. And you'll see here, Mind Over Munch. She's got 42,000 followers over here. And she's done 331 posts. But what these posts are mainly on this particular account is most of these are actually small video posts. We'll just click on this one. She's obviously optimizing this with all of the various hashtags. These hashtags are obviously the way that people find her that aren't already following her on Instagram. So this is one thing you need to make sure you're doing whenever you're posting any content. Instagram is to make sure you're using these hashtags and also being very consistent with the way they use your hashtags. So people understand exactly what your channel is all about when they come across to it. So obviously she's doing all the hashtags, but then on each of the posts, she's always asking people to go off to her bio to look at the link to this particular story. And I'll show you exactly what's happening there. So these are all little videos, really nice. Obviously the way that the content is, it's very bright, very, very appealing content on here. So the site is obviously very, very appealing. But the thing I really wanted to show you here, and the really cool thing, is if you look at the bio here, this is where you would link back to your channel, for instance, and you would be able to drive people back to your channel. But this is more powerful than that, because this LinkedIn bio allows you to actually build a page of all of your content that you want people to see first. And each one of these images here is actually a link back to YouTube. And I'm actually going to show you the site that you can do this on, and you can do this totally for free. And basically she's built a page here with all of the various images on that allow you to actually click any of these images and it'll take you back to a specific YouTube video. Now here's why I think this is more appealing. You could put a link there back to your channel, but then they end up just going to your overall channel page, and the video that you're actually wanting to direct them back to may not be the first one they see. And you want to make this process as smooth as possible for people. So if they can come in here and they can look at something that appeals to them and then be able to directly link to that video back into YouTube, that's a lot more appealing and a lot quicker than somebody hitting your channel link, for instance, going back to your channel and then trying to search for your video. Because that's one step too far for many people, and they probably won't even bother having a look for your video. So this is really, really nice, and a lot of these top people on YouTube now have started doing this with their Instagram account. So again, I'll just click into this for an example, and you'll see we go straight back to YouTube to the exact video that particular post is directing you to. So it's a lot quicker than directing people back to your channel page, as I said, and them having to have a look for your particular videos. You can direct them to a very specific place once they've had a look at your page in your bio in Instagram. So you can see that this is a really nice way to obviously drive people back to your YouTube channel through Instagram, and it gives you a much more varied way of actually advertising the various videos on your channel. So you can obviously change these around, and you could be focusing on a different video if there was something in particular you wanted to have as your main image up here. So it's a really nice way of doing it. So I'm going to show you the site that they actually go to set this up. So the site is called Later. So Later is the #1 marketing platform for Instagram, and it allows you to plan, schedule, analyze posts for Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. So depending on the level of membership you've got here, you can actually use this platform to post to these various other social media accounts. But then on Instagram in particular, you can build a page that allows you to link back to YouTube, back to wherever you want to, back to a blog. That page that you actually build on Instagram can link to many different places. And I'll show you exactly how that's done. You can go ahead and plan a week worth of Instagram posts on here. You can organize all of your photos and videos. They have a place where you can put all of your various medias on here. The reason I'm recommending this is because it's actually free. If you look at the first level of plans, it's free if you're going to post up to 30 times to one social platform every month. So you're going to start off with this and see how it went as far as building up your traffic. You can actually start off for totally free by connecting this up to YouTube. And then as you got more and more traffic, you could start to pay a little bit for the membership, because it'd be $7.50 a month, billed yearly, for up to 100 posts per social media platform, and so on and so on. So, you could use this for absolutely free and see how it went. So I'm going to show you inside and quickly show you how you do this. So this is my dashboard within the account. So I've got an Instagram account here. So if I just come down to here, the main piece we're looking at the moment, the rest of this is all around how you actually plan and post your various bits of content, and they've got some analytics here. But the piece that actually I'm interested in is LinkedIn bio. If I come over to here, you have a link that you have already that you put on your bio. So this is the link that you would actually use on your bio that allows people to come across and see that page. Now what you can do on here then is all of your various bits of content on Instagram, once you've connected your Instagram account here, will appear in this window, and you can come across here and just hit any of them and then link it to anywhere you want within your YouTube account. So you could link this straight back to your channel, or you could have an individual image that links straight back to a specific video on your channel, which I think is much more powerful than just linking it back to your general channel. So you can come along here and basically just link all of these various images up, and then once you've done that, you'll end up with a page that looks like this. Now again, yours will look a lot nicer than mine because I just throw mine together and just put a few images on there just to see what this actually looked like. When you see the actual example of this in action, this is really nice layout, and again, people just come along and click on these and it just goes to various locations. Most of these are actually going back to a YouTube channel. So really nice and easy to do. This is totally free. And I'll leave a link in the description below just so you can go ahead and check out link in bio. I'm not an affiliate for this. I don't earn any money if you come across and have a look at this. This is more about just giving you a quick tip around how you can drive more traffic from Instagram back to your YouTube account. So thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick video to show you that really useful site that you can have on your Instagram account. I think it makes your bio links much more powerful. I will do a separate review on Later to actually show you all of the functionality there, because there's a lot more that you can do with that site. But for the purposes of this, I just wanted to concentrate on the LinkedIn bio piece. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, go ahead and leave me a like and a comment below. And if you haven't been over to the channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know as soon as I release new videos. And again, if you're looking to start a business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. It'll take you over to the Simple Traffic Blueprint, which is our beginner-friendly, step-by-step guide to starting a real sustainable business online. Until next time, guys, take care.